Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change video speed in Capcut Mobile. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to go to Capcut and then click on the video that you want to change the speed. Click on the video and then click on speed. So here you will have three options, either normal, curve or velocity. If you just want to change the regular speed, I recommend you choose normal. So right now my video is 47 seconds. If I change it to 5x speed, then it will go to 9 seconds. So depending on the speed that you want to change, it will change the speed, the time of the video. And once you finish changing the speed, you can click on the check mark, and that should change the speed of the video as well as the sound. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.